Today, we'll simply be doing an unboxing on a very cool product. That is the new SteelSeries Arctis Nova 7X wireless in white. Oh, mamma mia, I'm super excited for this. As you know, we have the 7Xs over here. Now, I got my white Wicked cushions on it, just itching to go on these bad boys. And as you can see, they got the green headband, and then they're all black here. The all-white aesthetic, I think, is going to be absolutely juicy, especially if you go with one of their, what do they call them, like the mod packs or something like this. By the way, I haven't opened this. I've been waiting for you guys here. But anyways, the little mod kits or whatever where you can change out the headband. Getting a little dangerous here. I might have to go with that red one, but they also got this Destiny one that I think will look absolutely gorge on this. I don't know, we're gonna have to look into that. But anyways, let's go on and pop this box. Hold up, what do we got here? What do we got here? Okay, the little deal. I remember that when you used to have to build them. Okay, look at this. It comes, I forget my unboxing experience on the original one. So, again, sorry if I seem a little surprised here. Oh, yes, yes, yes. Let's go on and good luck, have fun. Oh, it's in a tab. Okay, let me get it off the tab. I want to look at these bad boys here. All right, so the headband is all black. Still that nice silky type of material. The ear pads are actually like white. They're not like gray or anything. You still got that pleather in there, that black inside there. Little tab in the microphone. Ooh, that's way inside there. Little tab. Oh, it's telling me to pull it out. Okay, to make sure you don't get that paper stuck in there. And then on the outside, your ear cups. And again, all this is like white. It's not gray. I think the Nova ones were kind of like grayish. This is all white, and then all your icons on it are black. Oh, I just love it. It's gorge. And again, you can pop off these deals right here, and this is where they got the replacement ones. I'm really digging the red. If I get the red on this, you know, that just screams Techne there. But that Destiny one, I can't get over that Destiny one. Y'all know I'm a big Destiny nerd. You know, the metal headband up there is white too. Oh, absolutely loving it. Let's see. I'm curious of the accessories. Are the accessories white or are they black? Okay, so our cables, as you see, our extender is actually white. Our USB A to C is actually white. Our 3.5 cable's actually white. Very nice right there. Our dongle is black. Our dongle's still black. And then as you can see, you got the PC to Xbox switch right there. Would have been cool if they made that white, but no biggie. I believe that's everything that's in there. So anyways, let's go ahead and pull these over, slide our box over, and keep our accessories right there. So here are the white ones. And let me just show you next to the black ones here. So again, it's a cosmetic thing, right? But good mercy, I absolutely love this. So yeah, it's pretty much the exact same headset minus color. And I believe the PlayStation version is the exact same. It's just the underneath of the headband is blue, kind of like you see on the Xbox Black version over here. But again, yeah, it's just a color upgrade. I mean, it's stinking gorgeous for sure. One thing I am curious about, even though this is an unboxing, kind of look at the product, I want to see something, because I used the heck out of this one over here, and I was always been curious, are these arms going to loosen up? So, I mean, it's still pretty tight over here on these guys. Still pretty tight. And when I look at these, still the exact, oh, no. I would say, okay, this is a little bit tighter. Again, I don't know if it's like just because it's brand new or if anything's changed. I'm pretty sure it's just because it's brand new, they haven't been used. But I can tell you that's a whole lot tighter. Not saying this is incredibly loose, but it does move significantly easier. Like this guy to give a serious tug. But I'm pretty sure that's just because it's brand new out of the box. But wow, I mean, come on. Can't we gotta agree right here that this is absolutely gorgeous. I mean, oh man. I love it. I absolutely, just putting SteelSeries headsets on, you guys know, absolutely, hands down, 115% stinking cozy, no questions asked. Like, I absolutely love it. And I mean, come on, look at this. We got the red, we got the black, we got the white. I need to get my booster pack on here. Oh, it's going to match my setup perfectly. Ah, I just love them. So anyways, that's it. A simple unboxing here. Not what I usually do, but I wanted to share my excitement and my giddiness with you guys. Hands down, one of my favorite wireless headsets, if not one of my favorite products out there. It's just, gosh, it just does everything that I want. It really does. It's got Techne approval all over it. So anyways, thank you so much for stopping by for this video. If you enjoyed it and I helped you out, please hit that thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I hope to catch you in the next one. Bye now.